Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with stubborn belly fat and looking for a way to kickstart your weight loss journey, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into a 7-day meal plan to burn belly fat fast. And trust me, it's easier than you think. This meal plan is designed to give you balanced nutrition, keep you full, and help you shed belly fat without feeling deprived. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. Let's get started. Now, you may be wondering, why do we need a meal plan to burn belly fat? Well, the truth is, losing belly fat isn't just about cutting calories or doing endless crunches. It's about fueling your body with the right foods at the right times. A proper meal plan helps you stay on track, ensures you're eating the right balance of nutrients, and most importantly, keeps you satisfied. In this 7-day plan, we're going to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support fat burning, reduce bloating, and boost metabolism. These meals are rich in lean proteins, fiber, healthy fats, and low-glycemic carbs, perfect for fighting that stubborn belly fat. Let's dive into the meal plan. Day 1. High-protein kickstart. All right, Day 1 is all about a high-protein, fiber-filled start to your week. For breakfast, we're going to have scrambled eggs with spinach, avocado, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This meal is packed with protein from the eggs, healthy fats from the avocado, and fiber from the spinach. It's going to keep you full for hours and jumpstart your metabolism. For lunch, we're having grilled chicken with a large mixed green salad. We'll add some olive oil and lemon for a simple, healthy dressing. The chicken gives us lean protein, and the salad is loaded with fiber and vitamins that help regulate digestion and keep belly fat at bay. For dinner, let's keep it light but filling. Try a salmon fillet with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help burn fat, while quinoa provides a good source of complex carbohydrates to fuel your body without causing blood sugar spikes. Day 2 is all about fiber and energy. For breakfast, let's have a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with mixed berries and a handful of nuts. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. The berries add antioxidants, and the nuts give us healthy fats that support fat loss. For lunch, we're going to have a turkey and avocado wrap. You can use a whole wheat or lettuce wrap to keep it low carb, and we'll load it up with leafy greens and some tomatoes. Turkey is a lean protein, while the avocado helps keep you satiated. For dinner, try a veggie stir-fry with tofu. Load up on bell peppers, zucchini, carrots, and broccoli. Tofu is a plant-based protein that's low in fat and calories but packed with nutrients. Stir-frying the veggies in olive oil boosts the fat-burning benefits of this meal. Day 3. Healthy fats and lean proteins. On Day 3, we're focusing on healthy fats and lean proteins. For breakfast, try a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with flax seeds, walnuts, and a drizzle of honey. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which support gut health and fat burning. The flax seeds and walnuts add healthy fats and fiber, which are essential for a balanced fat-burning metabolism. For lunch, let's make a quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, and feta cheese. This meal is high in protein and fiber, and the chickpeas provide a satisfying plant-based protein. The healthy fats in feta and olive oil help support fat loss without leaving you hungry. Dinner tonight will be grilled chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and a side of sautéed kale. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbs that provide sustained energy and help control blood sugar levels. This dinner is perfect for muscle repair and fat burning. Bonus tips. As you commit to these healthy habits and make positive changes in your life, remember that every journey needs the right support. That's where Midolin comes in. This incredible weight loss supplement, made from natural ingredients, can give your body the extra boost it needs to accelerate fat burning. If you're ready to take your results to the next level and feel more confident in your skin, click the link in the description below to learn more about Midolin. Trust me, you deserve to feel your best, and this could be the key to unlocking that success. Now Day 4, low glycemic and anti-inflammatory. Day 4 is all about keeping your blood sugar stable and reducing inflammation. For breakfast, let's blend up a smoothie with spinach, a scoop of protein powder, almond milk, and a spoonful of almond butter. This smoothie is packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and energized. Plus, it has healthy fats from the almond butter to support fat loss. For lunch, we're going with a tuna salad on a bed of mixed greens. Tuna is an excellent source of lean protein, and we'll mix it with avocado, celery, and a bit of olive oil for healthy fats. This meal is low glycemic and won't cause a spike in insulin, making it perfect for belly fat burning. Dinner will be a simple chicken and vegetable soup. Use low-sodium chicken broth, add in chicken breast, and toss in a variety of veggies like carrots, celery, and spinach. This meal is light yet filling and packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients to help reduce belly fat. Day 5 is all about detoxifying your body and staying hydrated. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to cleanse your system and kickstart digestion. Follow it up with a delicious breakfast of avocado toast on whole grain bread, topped with a poached egg. The avocado provides healthy fats, and the egg gives you a boost of protein. For lunch, we're having a chickpea and spinach salad. The chickpeas provide plant-based protein, and the spinach is packed with fiber, which will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. A drizzle of lemon and olive oil dressing brings it all together. For dinner, let's make a grilled shrimp and asparagus dish. Shrimp is low-calorie and high-protein, while asparagus is packed with antioxidants that help detoxify the body and reduce bloating. This meal is light but filling, and it's perfect for burning belly fat. On day 6, we're keeping things clean and carb-free to really target belly fat. For breakfast, we'll have scrambled eggs with avocado and a side of fresh tomatoes. The eggs provide protein and healthy fats, while the tomatoes add antioxidants that reduce inflammation and bloating. For lunch, let's go with a grilled turkey burger with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. Skip the bun to keep things low-carb, and focus on the protein from the turkey and fiber from the Brussels sprouts. This meal is great for keeping your metabolism high while promoting fat loss. Dinner tonight will be a light salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and a variety of colorful veggies. Add a simple vinaigrette dressing, and you've got a healthy, low-carb meal to keep the belly fat burning. Finally, on day 7, we'll wrap things up with a clean, balanced, and satisfying day. For breakfast, let's have chia pudding topped with berries. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and the berries provide a sweet, antioxidant-rich topping. For lunch, we'll make a simple grilled chicken and avocado bowl with quinoa, mixed greens, and a light vinaigrette. This is a balanced meal with lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you energized and full. For dinner, let's finish off the week with a healthy shrimp and veggie stir-fry. We'll use a variety of colorful vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, and onions, and stir-fry them in olive oil for a tasty, satisfying meal. And there you have it, a 7-day meal plan that's packed with nutrient-dense foods to burn belly fat fast. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to stick with it and incorporate these meals into your routine. You'll notice the difference in just a week. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding Midland to their diet. They've lost inches, boosted metabolism, and burned fat faster. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from these tips. I'd love to hear how this meal plan works for you, so leave me a comment below. Let's keep burning that belly fat together. See you next time. See you next.